Locking clamps engaged. Pressure check is green.
Good. Let's move the next section into position.
To maximize crop yield in this off-world environment, the greenhouse relies on specialized LED arrays optimized for photosynthesis.
The cocoa peat and perlite are fully integrated.
Perfect consistency. Let's start the transfer to the modular trays.
These clay pebbles provide the ideal aeration for the Martian regolith mix. We monitor the nutrient flow closely on the display.
pH level steady at 6.2.
Optimal range confirmed. Proceed with the nitrogen mix.
We use this rock wool substrate for optimal moisture retention during the initial germination phase. Tray 7 is now sealed. The bottle gourd seedlings are carefully transferred into the net pots. The clay pebbles provide support while the roots access the
Keep the fans at 30% power. We need that stem strengthening effect.
Confirmed. The airflow is consistent across all trays.
Oxygen saturation is up another 2%.
And humidity stabilized after the last adjustment. Growth rates are exceeding projections. Phase 4 inspection complete on Sector Gamma.
Confirming 0 pathogens detected.
sterilization sweep complete. Moving to the next section.
Copy that. Looks good from here.
Another successful harvest for the colony.
Initiating sterilization sequence. We're right on schedule.
Logger shows this batch expires 22/42.
Confirmed. Scanner reports no breaches on the latest shipment. Look at this growth acceleration on trellis 4.
Yes, the nutrient cycle stabilized perfectly this soil.